Hi, this is Guru Raj. I'm founder and MBA of OMiT, and I'm here to discuss with you the difference between master's degree and the digital marketing course. So basically, you would have seen that if you have to do a master's degree, then you have to pay around 12 to 15 lakhs per 3 years, and it's a very huge course where you have to spend a lot of time, you have to give a lot of efforts, and end of the day you may see that you will get a job which is about 10 to 20,000 or maximum 25,000. So whereas a digital marketing course is very beneficial for you. Why? Because it is only for 3 months and it takes very less effort from your end. So it's now your decision where you want to join a 3 years master's degree or a 3 months digital marketing course which can give you an amazing job. If you find digital marketing interesting, so please do join our course and we'll make sure that you get 100% job placement.